Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to improve corner cleaning precision on XIAOMI Robot Vacuum 5. If you want to clean the corners better, you can click on three dots in top right corner, then go to Corners and Edges Focus. Now you should enable Mop Swing and Side Brush Swing. That means the mop pad, the right one, as well as the right side brush will retract so they can clean the edges and the corners way better. And you can also set it to perform that retraction once every 7 days or on every cleanup task. You can set it right here. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.